Are they gonna come over and play?
I say.
Yeah.
I say.
Who's coming over?
What?
Addie and Sophie.
She?
Yeah, they could come over and play with you.
Hush.
Did you see a bee? Where'd the bee go?
A bee.
Yeah. Where did the bee go?
Go.
I don't know where it went.
Oh. No.
Come back.
Did you go? Did you go?
Where'd they go? Oh. Did the bee fly away? Yeah, the bee flew away.
Yes.